This video will show you how to edit the individual pages. Back in your WordPress dashboard, we're going to go to Pages, and this will show you a list of the pages on your website. The first thing we're going to do is edit the home page. So right underneath the page that you want to edit, you'll see that new items appear, and you want to click on Edit. And the home page is pretty simple. Basically, all you do is replace this text with whatever you want, and it will show up here. So you just type in what you want and click on Update, and it changes the home page. Now the next one, I'm going to go back to All Pages, and we're going to go to About Us and Edit. What I want to show you on About Us, what you're seeing here is called a toggle, meaning you can just click and open each one. It's not necessary you keep it like this, but if you want to, I'm going to show you how to edit each of these. So if you look over here on the back end, you can see this code right here is the code that makes the toggle show up. It does not actually show up on your website, as you can see. What you see here says Our Services. This is where you would change that. And you want to make sure you're very precise and you leave the quotation marks there. You just change the title. And then for whatever you want to show up here, you change right here. This is the beginning of that services section, and this is the end. So you want to make sure you don't change this or this except for the title. And then the next one, Our Team, you come here and just change the title and change the text. Very easy. Now if you wanted to remove all those toggles and just type something straight into the web page, you can just click and highlight and delete all of this and just type in what you want and click Update. Now we'll just leave them like they are. Just make sure you click Update, and then you can come over here and press F5 on your keyboard to refresh that page for any to see any changes that you made. And then back to All Pages, we're going to look at the next one, which is Did we contact you? And we'll click on Edit. And again, this one is set up simple too. Nothing special. You just clear out this text and type in what you want. And I guess here, let me show you if you want to add an image. You would just click on Add Media and then Upload Files and click to select the file on your computer that you want to upload. And that will add an image to your web page. Just always make sure you click Update. And then on Contact Us, go back here to All Pages. On Contact Us, we have what are called tabs. You can see here they go across. Contact Us, Edit. And let me just make this a little smaller. So what you would do, the tab titles, phone, online form, and address, they are here between the quotation marks. You can change those and the information that appears. The one that we want to discuss is online form. This is a plugin that we use on the website called Ninja Forms. That's what we use for the contact form. We have to set it up in the background, the email address to who this is going to go to, which is you. We would have to put your email address in. That is not something you do. And we handle this at the very beginning when we set up your website, after you're done with the demo and you've upgraded. So you don't have to worry about that. But you can change your address and your phone number, or you can get rid of the tabs altogether and just type directly onto the web page itself and click Update. Another thing I wanted to show you real quick is your website is responsive, meaning depending on the device that the person looks at the website on, it will change the appearance. What you're looking at now is how it would look if they look at your website on a computer, but let's say they were on a tablet or a phone where the screen is smaller. I'm going to start dragging this and you'll see that it changes. And this is what it would look like on a phone. The menu appears up at the top and everything is lined up and down. And now another item I want to show you is over here, your admin dashboard. If you click on admin backend, it just brings you back to the WordPress admin area that we're on over here. So I'm going to go back and then I want to show you, this more has to do with the database, but if you choose records by status, we set this page up just to give you a more friendly look at the records that you set the status to, these particular statuses. So if you click here, all your new ones would appear. And then as you go along and you set the statuses to something else, they would appear under here. And that just gives you a little friendlier view to see what you have on which records have each status showing. It's highly recommended you do not edit this page. I'm going to click on edit and show you what it looks like behind the scenes. And you can see this is all of our code that we put in. And we recommend you don't change this. This is not something that your website visitor sees. We have the visibility of this page set to private, so only you, when you log in, only you can see it. Your website visitors cannot see this. Now we also recommend that you never delete a page. Let's say you do not want the "Did we contact you" to show up on your website anymore. Then you don't want to delete it because you don't know, maybe later on you want it back or for whatever reason. All you need to do is click edit, and over here under status you want to click on edit. Right now it's published, which means it's viewable by the general public. You want to click on edit, change that to draft, and click OK and update. And now I'm going to go open the website. You can still see it because you are logged in as the administrator, so you'll always be able to see everything. But I'm going to log out and show you what the general public sees. Back to the website. I am not logged in now. Now it's still up on the menu, and I'm going to show you how to remove that in a moment. But if we were to click on it, if the general public were to click on that, if you accidentally left it up on your menu, then it just shows it can't be found. But I'm going to log back in and show you how to remove it from that menu. Okay, in your WordPress admin, we're going to go to Appearance, Menus, and if it's not already chosen, we want to select the correct menu, which is right here, the main nav. I'm going to choose that and click Select, and that shows all the items on the menu right now. And for the "Did we contact you," I'm going to click right over here on the arrow and choose Remove, and then Save. And now if I go to the website, it is no longer on the menu.